Welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to make Ankara purse, and these are the materials we'll be using: lining, Ankara fabric, press button, tape roll, scissors, and interfacing. Measurement for the bag we are making, we'll be making it in centimeter. Okay, so this is 30 centimeter by 20 centimeter. I have two of this fabric here, so I'm just going to place something round at the edge and we'll make a curve there. We're going to cut that out. And then fold to this edge, fold the fabric equal, so chalk to mark this, and we are also going to cut it out. This is how it looks. I have two of this. I'm also going to do the same for the lining. The lining is also 30 centimeter by 20 centimeter. I'm also going to cut the edge just the way I've just. When that is done, we are going to stitch this way. I'm going to stitch from here, from this point. So you stitch, leave space here. You're not going to stitch this point. I'm going to do the same for this part. Stitch from this point. And stop here. I'm not going to stitch this part. Stitching. You're going to turn your bag from this point. Before then, you notch around the bag. You're going to just cut this edge a bit. And turn from this place inside it. And you see this part, you put your sewing machine, you're going to stitch this bottom part. You're going to stitch this bottom part also, and you iron it. Ironed it, and I've also stitched it, so you can see how flat it's laying. Now the next thing you want to do is to front facing front. So you're going to align it on each other. You can use your pin to hold it in place. So now you're going to measure from the bottom part 12 centimeter. Centimeter. Now you connect the lines like that. Then from that 12 centimeter, measure 6 centimeter up. We are also going to connect that line. Okay, so from this side you are going to measure 2 centimeters. This side you are also going to measure 2 centimeters. So when that is done, you're going to stitch from this line, from this point. Stitch. When you get to this point, come down. When you get to this point, stitch here. When you get to this point, you stitch. After stitching, you can see where I stitch it like a box. So you're going to fold your purse now. So the purse has taken shape. See, you're going to stitch so this is one purse and this is another purse here. We're going to stitch them separate. We're going to stitch these two. After stitching, this is what the purse looks like. Now you're going to fix magnetic snap here, which is press button. We're going to fix one part here and fix the other part here with the help of your needle and thread. You fold it so that you get the midpoint where you're going to stitch. Now you attach it. That is done. Cut out your thread. I'm going to stitch this part. So guys, I am done stitching the press button. See how beautiful our purse came out. We have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe, like this video and comment. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial.